Welcome back to Fact Hub, where curiosity meets knowledge. Today, we're diving into the incredible mysteries of the human body. Get ready to be amazed by fascinating and surprising facts about human anatomy and physiology. Let's get started. Our first stop is the brain, the command center of our body. Did you know that the brain is more active at night than during the day? While we're asleep, our brain processes information, consolidates memories, and solves problems. It's like having a 24/7 personal assistant working in the background. Speaking of the brain, it has around 86 billion neurons. Each neuron can connect with thousands of others, forming a complex network that's responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. Neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals, creating a symphony of activity that allows us to experience the world around us. Next up, the heart. This powerful organ beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping around 2,000 gallons of blood through our bodies. That's enough to fill a swimming pool in just 2 weeks. And get this, if you stretched out all the blood vessels in your body, they would cover over 60,000 miles. That's enough to circle the Earth twice. The heart's electrical system controls the rhythm of your heartbeat. Sometimes, it can even produce its own electrical impulses and continue to beat independently of the brain. This phenomenon, known as automaticity, allows the heart to maintain a steady beat even when isolated from the body. Now let's talk about the skin, the body's largest organ. Not only does it protect us from external elements, but it also plays a crucial role in regulating our temperature. When you're hot, your skin releases sweat to cool you down. When you're cold, it helps to retain heat by constricting blood vessels. Your skin is constantly renewing itself. In fact, you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells every minute. By the time you turn 20, you'll have shed around 40 pounds of skin. Talk about a fresh start. And did you know that your skin hosts trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses? This microbiome plays a vital role in protecting you from harmful pathogens. The stomach is another fascinating part of our anatomy. Did you know that your stomach lining is replaced every few days to prevent it from digesting itself? That's because the stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is strong enough to dissolve metal. This acid helps break down food and kill harmful bacteria. And here's a fun fact. Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria. These microbes play a vital role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and keeping your gut healthy. In fact, the gut is often referred to as the second brain because of its extensive network of neurons and its influence on your mood and overall health. Muscles are amazing too. The human body has over 600 muscles, and they make up about 40% of your total body weight. The strongest muscle, based on its size, is the masseter, which is your jaw muscle. It can exert a force as great as 200 pounds on your molars. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing, which is controlled by signals from the nervous system. Even when you're resting, your muscles are hard at work. Just to stand still, your muscles constantly make tiny adjustments to keep you balanced. Your muscles also play a key role in maintaining your posture, generating heat, and protecting your internal organs. Our immune system is like a superhero squad, always on the lookout for invaders. Amazingly, your immune system can produce about 10 million different antibodies to fight off various pathogens. Each antibody is tailor-made to target a specific threat, like a lock and key. And here's something truly fascinating. Stress can actually weaken your immune system, while regular exercise and a healthy diet can boost it. So, taking care of your body helps your immune system take care of you. Another interesting fact is that the immune system has a memory, allowing it to respond more effectively to pathogens it has encountered before, which is the principle behind vaccines. Let's not forget our skeletal system. Did you know that the human body has 206 bones? Our bones are incredibly strong and can withstand significant stress. The femur or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone in the body. In fact, ounce for ounce, bone is stronger than steel. Bones are not just rigid structures, they are living tissues that constantly remodel themselves. Cells called osteoblasts build new bone tissue, while osteoclasts break down old tissue. This dynamic process allows bones to repair themselves and adapt to changes in our physical activities. Breathing is something we often take for granted, but it's a complex and fascinating process. The average person takes about 20,000 breaths a day. Your lungs contain over 300 million alveoli, tiny air sacs where gas exchange occurs. If spread out, the surface area of these alveoli would cover a tennis court. The lungs are remarkable in their efficiency, providing oxygen to the blood and removing carbon dioxide. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs, plays a crucial role in breathing by contracting and expanding the lung cavity. The human body is an incredible machine full of mysteries and marvels. We've just scratched the surface today, but there's so much more to explore. From the electrical impulses in our brain to the strength of our bones, every part of our body is a testament to the wonders of biology. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below with your feedback and let us know what fascinating topics you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fact Hub for more amazing facts and discoveries. Thanks for watching and stay curious.